I have a special box that came in the mail today, so I thought we would unbox it together. So let me get my little scissors here and we'll start this unboxing. Just gonna cut the tape. All right. And I'm ready to get hooked. So let's see what I'm going to get hooked on. All right. That wasn't fair. I put the box down and I got to see first peek first. So let's take a look at the yarn. I love those colors, especially that pink. That's really pretty. It's calling it Tropics Sport Yarn. It does look tropical. Kind of makes me think of Parrot Islandy. So let's see. And you know I'm going to save the hook for last because that's my favorite part. And so we have a little pin of a pineapple. It's very tropical. And that's what we have on the book. So let's look at the tropical collection. So our first pattern is going to be a tropical market bag. And the second pattern is going to be a tropical cowl. All right. And I'm just going to look at that yarn again. See a lot of pinks, some orange and some white. And then down here, see some yellow and some greens, different shades of green. A little bit of orange peeking through there. Here's the orange peeking through. All right. I tell you what, since I looked at the yarn first, how about I let you look at the hook first? You ready? Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. So what's it look like? And what size hook is it? Ready? Oh, how pretty. Very tropical. Look at there. And it is a size F. How pretty. Well, thanks for coming and joining me for this unboxing of this Leither Co box. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure and give it a thumbs up. And if you have not already done so and you would like to subscribe to my channel, be sure before you leave to hit the subscribe button and then go over and ring the bell and select all videos so you don't miss any future tutorials, unboxings, conversations, or anything that we do that allows us to hang out and crochet and have fun and be joyful. So if you're interested in getting your own Leither Co box, I will leave all the information below in the description box so you can go order your very own. Well, take care, guys, and I will see you again soon. And remember, be joyful, stay crafty in your own way, and make your own joyful creations. Bye.